Hey guys and gals, Homestead Prepper. I want to show you guys how I'm going to get rid of that boat over there. Alright, I've got a property cleanup I'm doing. This boat right here, let's look at this. It expires 1979. That was a good year. Alright, well you can see it's been out here for a while, so let's see if we can get it up there on the trailer. Alright, well here goes. Well, if you saw that, it broke it right off. Alright, well, I guess that's not going to work that way, so I guess we'll go to plan B. Well, yeah, it looks like it's been out here just a little too long. Well, there's one more. I doubt that's going to work, but we're going to try it. All right, let's see if that'll work. All right, well, that was plan B right there, and the back of it didn't give way, but that sure did. So you have to find some other way to get this up there. All right, I took it out of park, guys. I didn't want to be pulling on that parking pole in there and break it, but we kind of did something a little different here. I guess we thought outside of the boat, and I've got a strap just wrapped around the back of it, as you can see right there. And kind of going up underneath the boat right there, but hopefully that will if you can, there's underbrush here, you can see that, and then we can pull it up on that trailer. So let's see if that'll work. All it can do is not work, right? So all right. All right, let's see if she'll move. Oh, she's moving. I'm getting greedy. Uh-oh. That didn't sound good. All right, let's see what's up with it. I don't believe it. All right, well, we're just about out of line right there. We need to back this off a little bit. I need to get another bite on it. Ooh, it sounds like the bottom just fell out of it. All right, well, let's get another bite and we'll see if we can finish getting it up on the trailer. All right, let's try a little bit more. Got to be careful you don't get carried away and wind that thing up under there. So alright, we can just get it to go a little bit farther, we'll have it. Alright, if we can just get it that last little foot or so. I think that is about as much as we're going to get. I don't even know if I can put the tailgate up. No, probably not. It's probably going to hit right here, but alright, well there we go, guys. We got us a boat. Load up on the trailer and we're going to take it to the dump. And I believe they said it's $84.20 a ton. I don't know what that weighs. I guess we'll find out when we go to the dump. Okay, we're at the dump, and I didn't get it on film, guys, but the guy was nice enough to use that big machine there and pull it off. So we got these other guys coming in. Alright, we're going to pull off here in a minute. What a view. Alright, goodbye boat. Alright, well I guess y'all seen enough of the dump. Alright, well that's the facility right there. It was a lot less expensive than I thought it would be. When I pull over, I'll show you what it costs. In case any of you were wondering, it looks like the boat weighed about 1,020 pounds, and it cost me $36.59 to get rid of it. I think it was very fair. Okay, Homestead Prepper out.